Hello children, history lesson we are learning now. In the last class, when we started this one, that is Christianity and Islam. In that already we learned the Christianity. Who is the founder? Jesus Christ is the founder of Christianity. What is his life and what teachings he given to the people. All that one we learned in the last class. Today we are learning the Islam. One more big religion, children. Islam, that one we are learning. Who is the founder, what is his life and what teachings he given, all that one we are learning. Okay. Yes, Prophet Muhammad was the founder of the Islam. He only started the Islam religion. Prophet Muhammad is God. What is Prophet? I wrote here children. Many words are there. Meaning I wrote here down. Prophet means who preaches God's message. He is a messenger of God. He is giving what he is preaching to the people. No? That is all messages of the God. That is the meaning of the prophet. Followed. Who is this Prophet Muhammad? Now we learn about his life. See children, the parents of Prophet Muhammad are, that is Abdullah and Amina. Abdullah and Amina are the parents of the Muhammad. This Muhammad, when he was in the mother's stomach only, yet he not taken birth. When his mother is pregnant, that time only he lost the father. So his uncle brought up him. Muhammad's uncle brought up him. When he grown up, he started working, and he started working with one of the rich lady. Her name is Khadija. Her name is Khadija, and she given the work to the Muhammad. He was very simple, kind-hearted person, and by seeing his simplicity and his kindness, she got married. That rich lady, she married with the Muhammad. Then they lived their life, family life. After some days, when he was 40 years, this Muhammad was when he was 40 years old, that time he started spending his most of the time either in the prayer or in the meditation or in preaching the people. All the good things he started preaching to the people. Like this way, his life only turned. When he started preaching the good things to the people started calling him as a Prophet Muhammad. Earlier name is only Muhammad. When he started preaching to the people, his name came to be known as a Prophet Muhammad. Follow children. Like this way, he started preaching to the people. This Islam religion, first it is originated in Arabia. It started in Arabia. Followed. And in Arabia, how it is started? These are all tribal people children. Many tribes were there in Arabia. But there is no unity in the tribes. Always there is a fight in between the tribal people. Either for the territory or for the power. Always they are fighting. In that time, in the Arabia also, idol worship was there children. See here, Mecca and Kaaba, the holy places of the Islam. Mecca and Kaaba, they are called as the holy places, religious places for them. There, in the ancient time, idol is worshipping. Idol they used to worship. But when Muhammad started preaching, he said no need of worshipping the idol. So idol worship was cancelled. But before that, they are also worshipping the idols. So their religious place, pilgrimage are Mecca and Kaaba. And their holy book, all the religions, yesterday only I told you, all the religions are having their holy books. What that books? Our Bhagavad Gita is there, Christian people are having Bible, like that, Islam people are having the Quran. Quran is the holy book for them. So that book is in the Arabic language. It is in the Arabic language. See children, Islam started in the Arabia. So the Quran is mainly in the Arabic language. Followed? Yes. This lady Khadija explained already. Then, what is the meaning of Islam? Islam means surrender to God, submission to God. Both the meaning is same. We must surrender ourselves to the God. Surrendering means what? What life we are living now, we must not be crazy about the world pleasures. To become a rich, to build the big bungalow, ride in the very costly car, like this world pleasures we are having. Not like that. Simple life we have to live. Anything else, the extra we are having means we should help the others. We should make them also comfortable. That is called pure life or the simple life. That is called submission to the God. In the Christianity only I said that service to mankind is the service to God. That one. Then Muslim. What is the meaning of Muslim? One who surrenders to God. That means what your life is there, you are dedicating your time, your wealth to the God means that is called Muslim. Followed? Yes. Take this point, still are there. I will read that one. Yes. See children, while teaching the Christianity also I said, if any person is growing or day by day is famous means many people will not tolerate. Jealousiness is also one of the character of the human being. I said while teaching Christianity. Same thing with the Islam also children. When this Prophet Muhammad started preaching to the people about the good messages to the people, many opposed him. First of all, in that tribal group, there is no unity. They were fighting each other. When he started about the idol worship and all, many people opposed him. Because what he used to do, many practices, religious practices, he opposed. What they are doing, the rituals, no, that one he opposed. And idol worship also. So many people opposed him. Because of that reason, he left the Mecca. Prophet Muhammad born in Mecca only children. He born in Mecca. He started preaching to the people in Mecca. But when many people opposed him, they started disliking him. That time he left the Mecca and moved to the Medina. So that even what he moved from the Mecca to Medina, many days he taken to reach the Medina. This is all Arabia country children, desert places there. So that event is called as a Hijri. Hijri, and in the Islam they are calling it as a Hijri era. Shaka era, how we are having Hindu religion, no? Shaliman Shaka era, like that. This Islam people are having the Hijri era. Followed children. Many people they opposed the Prophet Muhammad. Enmity started between that people and the Prophet Muhammad. So he left the Mecca and he moved to the Medina. That event is called as a Hijri. You are having question on this children. Hijri. Followed, Medina people welcomed the Prophet Muhammad and he started staying there only and he continued his preachings. Afterwards, Medina people attacked on Mecca and they included the Mecca in the Medina only. But Prophet Muhammad, very kind person, he not given any punishment to the Mecca people. He accepted him. Followed. This is about the history. Yes. Yeah. Within a short time, this Mecca and Medina become one place, and this messages of the Prophet Muhammad and the influence of the Islam started spreading all over the Arabia. In a short time, it is spreaded all over the Arabia. Alright, children. Yes, this is about the Prophet Muhammad, his life and his event I taken. What are the teachings in the Islam? Many are there, so I will take them in the next class. For today's class, you take the homework. Take this point out. Yes. 6. Children, who is the founder of Islam? Where Prophet Muhammad born? Mecca it is. Name the holy book of Muslims. You write it is in which language also. Instead of extra question, you write here only. What do you mean by prophet? Meaning of prophet, I don't know that one. Then name the parents of Muhammad. What is Hijri? This is the big question here. You write the reason why Muhammad moved from the Mecca to Medina. Then you write what is Hijri. Understood? No? Yes. For today it is enough, children. In the next class I will take the teachings of Islam.